My video is about removing the online scam related to the site Hacerfly.help. So this site, Hacerfly.help, is a really dangerous site, as you can clearly see. It now targets Google Chrome and also may affect other browsers. This site basically has in mind to trick you into sharing your Windows login details, your username and password, and then there may be some online hackers who will try to connect to your computer remotely and scare you tremendously. If you see these pop-ups, don't tolerate them and just leave this deceptive page. If you cannot leave it, you may need to use your task manager in order to get out of the full screen mode. So use task manager if you can. You need to use the task manager to find your browser that got hijacked like that. So then when you, through the task manager, find your hijacked browser, you need to end the process of your hijacked browser, and this will help you to get out of the full screen mode. So finally, here it is, task manager. You need to find the browser that got hijacked. In our case, this is Google Chrome browser, and then you need to end the process of that browser in order to finally get out of the full screen mode. Well, because of the adware, my computer is indeed functioning in a very slow manner. So let's end the task of Google Chrome browser, if we can do that. So end task. Finally, we should be out of this full screen mode. I recommend you to scan your system additionally with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues, and definitely what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.